What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. Crypto is crashing. Not necessarily crashing. It's definitely making a downturn. Let's take a look at it and see how far it might go. I'm also going to show you my trade, where it's at, and what's going on with that. So definitely stick around for the whole video. If you're interested in trading, definitely check out our sponsors, PrimeXBT and BITUNIX. Awesome exchanges if you're ready to get trading. Also down below in the links next to the exchange links. Sign up with those. There are tutorial videos to watch. Let's get into the charts and see what's going on. All right. So, as most of you know, everybody's waiting on Powell to speak and see what he has to say about interest rates. But as of right now, the Dow Jones is down or up 118 points. S&P is down 21 points. Nasdaq is down 235. Isn't it funny that when tech goes down, Bitcoin, crypto, and everything else goes down with it? Well, let's take a look at Bitcoin. But first, I want to remind you guys, we need 150 likes and 150 comments. If you help share the video, that'll help us get us there quicker. We need that on every video throughout the week to give you a $200 promo code to a random comment. I will let you know who the winner is. Anyways, let's get into it. So as of right now, this was where I told everybody to short. We got in a short. I got out of the short and I re-entered. I'm going to show you where I re-entered and where I'm at right now. We made a lot of money on this downside. So that's just one thing I want to stress to everybody. They think, why would you short Bitcoin? Because there's a lot of money to be made at it. If you watch this channel, you've seen it. You've seen $100,000 trades where we gained 100,000, 50,000, 20,000, 40,000, and in little price movements. So you didn't have to hold on to a Bitcoin and wait forever to get the money, right? So anyways, it's not for everybody. I get that. And it is risky, but if you want to take the time to learn, you can make a lot of money doing it. It's like an endless bank account. So as of right now, we broke through this trend line on our 4 hour, right? We're breaking back in the channel. So this was our channel. Whoops. This was our channel measured move, right? Right here, bam. That's where I told everybody would be a good place to short. If you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it was on there too. Go down, click the link. And anyways, so right now we were looking for, depending on where this closes, we talked about this yesterday, from this low to this low, we could get hidden bullish divergence, or that would be bullish divergence, a lower low in the price action, higher low in the RSI. But we have to see where this closes. As of right now, it's got 40 minutes to close. Remember, we have this target down here about 108. We also have a lower target. I'm going to show you on the daily. I'm going to show you why I got it there. Then we're going to take a look at my trade. We'll also take a look at some altcoins, see how they're doing through this little dump. All right, so if you watched the last video, we talked about this right here, 116.5. I told you if that broke, look for a retest, which that's exactly what we got. And now we're coming back down. So this is where I'm looking for. About 109.70 if we're to come down quick. That should give us a good bounce area. If we get that low, I'm not saying we have to, right? But if we get that low, this should be a good bounce area. If we drop below that, and this being a bounce area doesn't mean that I think it's going to new all-time highs, although it could. We'll see how it forms. But we probably come back down through this. Now, let me show you this measured move. You guys know I love my measured moves. We're actually going to thicken this line up so you can see it. So if we take this from the widest point of this rising wedge right here, right? And we bring it all the way over to where it broke down. That gets us about 88.5. Does that mean we're guaranteed to go there? Absolutely not. But that is a very good possibility, depending on what happens with the traditional markets, right? If Chair Powell gets everybody all stirred up and panicking, we could see this sooner than later. But let's keep an eye on the markets, keep your calm, make sure you use stop losses, guys. Once you get into profit, put your stops in profit. All right. That's where I'm at right there on the daily. Now, if we wanted to go smaller and not go from this, right, we could go from this touch here down all the way to the bottom, put that up there, and that would get us a target at approximately 93,000. So we're going to do that too. We're going to put them two targets in, right? These are our two targets that I'm looking for, unless, get that over there. Unless we break back up past this wedge, right? and that's going to be about 116.5 to 113.5, depending on if, when, and where. So guys, if you got in the short, congratulations. I'm going to show you where mine's at right now. So we're on Prime right here. As you can see, we're up 18,600 points. I am 10 Bitcoin short. I got in a short. My first one I put in, let's look at these. So my orders were right here was my first one at 115.4. I shorted 5, and then at 115.6 I shorted 5. That's 10 Bitcoin short. As of right now, we're up 18,500 points. I haven't put it in yet, but I'm probably going to put my stops like right in up here around 115.3. That way, if I get stopped out, I still make a small profit. No big deal. I don't lose money that way. But I'm going to let this ride for a while, and I'll probably, like I said, I'm going to put my stops at about 115.4. If I get stopped out, no big deal. We're up a couple $1,000 that way, but if not, I'll just keep moving it down. And if you watch this channel, you'll know where I'm moving it. All right, so let's take a look at Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum, this is what we talked about. If we could get back above this blue line, we could be bullish. Well, right now, our support is right here, about this 3,960. If that holds as support, then we look for another run up to this blue trend line. Now, if this breaks, then we have much lower lows to look at, guys. So just be careful. XRP, same thing. Right now, as of right now, we're getting support on the 55 EMA. Did you guys check out that EMA video I talked about yesterday's video? I hope so. Anyways, looking for possible bounce here. If it does break down past this 292, start to look for that 250 range again. If not, if it does get a bounce here, we may be seeing all the way up here. This could be a bull flag forming, but be careful. It could also just be an ABC correction. Solana, like I said, unless we get back in this rising channel, these are my targets, remain my targets since back here at the 296. And ADA starting to break through the EMAs here. If we continue down on the daily, next support is 87 cents, which is a 13 EMA, and then we have 85 cents at 21 EMA, and then it drops way down to 78 cents for the 55 EMA, 200 EMA at 72, and then all the way back down to the 50 range. If that 50 range breaks, whoa, crazy. But again, nothing set in stone here. Let's see what the markets do. Let's see if everything turns around. We'll be keeping an eye out for reversals. We'll be keeping an eye out for patterns, things like that. If you guys watch the channel, you get it. If not, you probably don't. So anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Make sure to smash the likes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next one.